It's down but not out. Look at it. Wow, isn't that amazing? Ukwobu. This is a Obu tree. And do you know where it's standing? In the marketplace. Zoop. Okay. So this is my heritage. This is my village. I am proudly a village girl. Born, bred, buttered here. So, thank God for our heritage. I'm loving it. This is my roots. This is my village. This is my town. This is where I grew up. This is the strongest, biggest, oldest surviving Obu tree in this market square where we used to gather for all festivities. So, guys, signing out. Signing out.